we all wish what is best for us, best for ourselves, best for our loved ones. If not the best, we want something better than what we have now. That is why we can understand why people go to other countries, Filipinos working abroad, to provide their families with something better. Because we should not be satisfied with what we have, if it can be improved, if it can be made better. Because better is better. God also wants the best for us. That is why in the gospel, Jesus said, your ancestors ate the manna in the desert, but they died. Remember the story of the manna in the desert when people were complaining, we have nothing to eat. And then Yahweh sent them something to eat. But here Jesus said, well, even if they ate the manna, they died. I am giving you something better. This is the bread that comes down from heaven so that one may eat it and not die. I am the bread of life. I am offering you something better than manna. Why? Because I want what is best for you. Yan naman ang gusto ng Diyos. Ang ibigay ang pinakamainam. Ang ibigay ang pinakamaganda. Ang pinakamahalaga. Sapagkat mahal tayo ng Diyos. Kapag mahal mo ang isang tao, ibinibigay mo ang pinakamahusay, ang pinakamaganda, ang pinakamasarap, ang pinakamahal. We are not satisfied with giving what is mediocre. Kung ganun tayo sa ating minamahal, ganun din ang Diyos sa atin na nagmamahal sa atin. That is why it is a very good reminder to all of us when our prayers are not answered the way we want them to be answered. Let us not stop praying. Let us not be discouraged. Maybe the Lord is preparing something better for us. Kasi tayo, minsan, may ugali tayo kapag hindi na ibigay ang pinagdarasal o hindi sa gusto nating paraan, nagtatampo tayo. Iniisip natin parang hindi pinakikinggan ng Diyos ang ating dasal. Pero hindi. Sa totoo lang, ang laging gusto ng Panginoon ay ang ibigay ang pinakamainam sa atin. He is just preparing us to receive a gift that is better than we prayed for. Magpasalamat tayo sa mga biyayang ibinibigay sa atin ng Diyos. At magpasalamat tayo higit sa lahat dahil mahal tayo ng Diyos. Amen.